In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Squarespace site promotion. If a promotional pop-up is getting in the way of your content or you've finished a campaign and want to retire it, turning it off is quick and clean. I'll walk you through the exact path in the editor and share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. Start in your Squarespace dashboard. On the left-hand panel, click Website, then Open Pages. Even though this is where you manage your site structure, it also links you to the key tools you'll need for marketing features. From that same left-hand area, look for Marketing Tools. This is where Squarespace groups features like pop-ups, banners, and other promotional elements so you can control what visitors see without digging through every page. Inside Marketing Tools, select Promotional Pop-up. This opens the settings for the site-wide pop-up that can appear across your pages. You'll usually see options for design, content, timing, and behavior. The important control you're looking for is labeled Display Pop-up. This switch determines whether the promotion is active at all. To turn off the promotion, simply disable Display Pop-up. Once it's off, the pop-up will stop appearing to visitors across your site. You won't lose your design or copy, it's just hidden. That means you can come back later to re-enable it if you want to reuse the same promotion for a future sale or announcement. After making that change, click Save at the top left. This is essential. Without saving, your changes won't be applied publicly. As soon as it's saved, the promotional pop-up is disabled, and your visitors will experience your site without that interruption. This is especially helpful if you're aiming for a cleaner, faster first impression, or you've wrapped up a time-sensitive event. A quick note on expectations. Different templates and versions of Squarespace may present the settings panel with slightly different wording, but the path remains the same. Website, pages, marketing tools, promotional pop-up, then turn off display pop-up, and save. If you're also using other promotional features, like an announcement bar, remember that those are separate tools with their own toggles, so the pop-up setting won't affect them. And that's it. By navigating to your pages, opening marketing tools, choosing promotional pop-up, disabling display pop-up, and saving, you've successfully turned off your Squarespace site promotion. Simple, precise, and fully reversible whenever you need it.